The Ducati Panigale V4R is more than just a motorcycle, it's a symbol of power, precision, and passion. Born from Ducati's relentless pursuit of performance, it embodies the brand's racing heritage and cutting-edge technology. Every detail of the Panigale V4R is crafted to deliver an unparalleled riding experience. From its aggressive design to its ferocious engine, this superbike stands at the pinnacle of motorcycle engineering. It's not just about speed, it's about control, agility, and the thrill of pushing the limits. At the heart of the Panigale V4R is the Desmosedici Stradale R engine. This 998cc V4 powerplant is a masterpiece of engineering, capable of producing 240 horsepower with the race kit installed. It's not just powerful, it's sophisticated, featuring titanium connecting rods, a dry clutch, and a high rev limit that delivers blistering acceleration. This engine is derived directly from Ducati's MotoGP machines, ensuring that the rider feels every ounce of racing DNA with every twist of the throttle. But power is nothing without control. The V4R comes equipped with an advanced electronics package that includes Ducati Traction Control Evo 2, wheelie control, slide control, and engine brake control. These systems work seamlessly together, providing the rider with maximum confidence and safety, even under the most extreme conditions. The aerodynamics of the Panigale V4R are inspired by Ducati's racing prototypes. Carbon fiber winglets integrated into the front fairing generate downforce, enhancing stability and cornering precision at high speeds. This aerodynamic package minimizes drag while maximizing airflow to the engine, ensuring optimal cooling. Every curve, every angle of the bodywork is designed to slice through the air with minimal resistance, allowing the V4R to reach its incredible top speed with ease. The chassis is built around an aluminum front frame that provides exceptional rigidity and lightweight handling. It is paired with fully adjustable Öhlins suspension components, including NPX 25/30 forks and a TTX 36 rear shock. This setup ensures unmatched agility and responsiveness, allowing the rider to carve through corners with surgical precision. The Brembo-style brake calipers and dual 330mm discs at the front provide exceptional stopping power, ensuring safety at every turn. A key feature of the Panigale V4R is its lightweight construction. Extensive use of carbon fiber and lightweight materials results in a dry weight of just 172 kilograms, giving the bike an exceptional power-to-weight ratio. This focus on weight reduction enhances acceleration, agility, and braking performance, making the V4R one of the most dynamic superbikes on the market. The sound of the V4 engine is unmistakable, a roar that resonates with Ducati's racing heritage. The titanium exhaust system, developed in collaboration with Akrapovic, not only maximizes power output but also delivers an intoxicating exhaust note that sets the V4R apart from any other bike on the road. The Panigale V4R is equipped with a 5-inch TFT display that provides all necessary information at a glance. It features multiple riding modes, race, sport, and street, allowing riders to customize the bike's behavior according to their preferences and riding conditions. The Ducati Quick Shift Evo 2 system enables seamless gear changes, enhancing acceleration and deceleration without the need for the clutch. Ergonomics play a crucial role in the V4R's design. The riding position is optimized for track performance, with a tank shape and seat design that provide excellent support during acceleration and braking. Adjustable footpegs allow riders to find their ideal position, ensuring maximum comfort and control. The bike's compact dimensions and aggressive stance create a rider-focused cockpit that enhances the connection between man and machine. Ducati has also embraced digital connectivity with the Panigale V4R. It is compatible with the Ducati multimedia system, allowing riders to connect their smartphones and access calls, messages, and music through the TFT display. This integration enhances convenience and safety, enabling riders to stay connected without losing focus on the ride. The Panigale V4R is not just about raw power, it is about precision, control, and safety. Ducati's advanced electronics package, developed through years of racing experience, ensures that the rider can harness the bike's immense power safely. From cornering abs to dynamic slide control, every system is designed to enhance performance while maintaining the highest level of safety. The design of the Panigale V4R is unmistakably Ducati. Its sharp lines, aggressive stance, and bold red color scheme embody the brand's racing spirit. Every detail, from the carbon fiber winglets to the beautifully crafted rear swingarm, is a testament to Ducati's commitment to excellence. This is a bike that not only performs but also turns heads wherever it goes. Owning a Panigale V4R is about joining an exclusive club. It is about experiencing the thrill of speed and the passion of Italian engineering. It is a statement of taste, power, and style, reserved for those who demand nothing but the best. The Ducati Panigale V4R is more than just a superbike, it is a celebration of speed and innovation. It represents the cutting edge of motorcycle technology, combining power, precision, and beauty in a way that only Ducati can. It is designed for those who seek the thrill of speed and the joy of riding at the limit. The legacy of the Panigale continues with the V4R, a bike that pushes the boundaries of what is possible on two wheels. It is a testament to Ducati's relentless pursuit of perfection, a machine crafted for those who dare to dream and live to ride. From the racetrack to the open road, the Ducati Panigale V4R is built to dominate. It is the culmination of decades of racing experience, engineering excellence, and a passion for performance. It is not just a motorcycle, it is an icon, a symbol of power, precision, and passion. Whether you are a professional racer or an enthusiast, the Panigale V4R offers an experience like no other. It is an invitation to push the limits, to explore new horizons, and to embrace the thrill of speed. In the world of superbikes, the Ducati Panigale V4R stands alone, a masterpiece that continues to define the art of speed.